Story time. After all that effort to get ready to go one night, just one night, just to catch a setup. To support my friends, police lock it off. When we reach it, no dead yard. Police lock it off. I know. Did I say I'm happy to be home? I'm happy to be in Jamaica, where I belong. Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
Morning, guys. What's poppin'? It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Now this morning I'm waking up. Look, this hair took me hours. I started like 2 p.m. and I finished about 9 p.m. last night. It took me ages, but at least it's done and I like it. See, took my lashes off so I can get a proper facial and scrub my face, which is good. But I'm gonna do them today. And this morning I've got my favorite. I've got my Julie mango, and this is what I'm gonna eat. But give me a minute there. I need to change my battery. My battery is dying. As you see me, I'm so tired, but I slept the whole night last night because right now I'm in the process of editing yesterday's vlog. I tried last night, but sorry, sleep lick me, man. Sleep lick me because I was tired. But this is the Julie mango. It's been washed, and I hope it's good. I got it yesterday. Why did I want to eat it last night? This is it. When they pick it off of the tree, it feels a little bit soft. Right? Look at that. What I'm gonna do today, today I need to do my lashes. One, but I need to But you know Jamaica, the rainfall cool down the place and then ta-da, sunny again. But let me go eat and I'll check back with you. Guys, I'm going to in the town. I might take you along with me. I don't know. I want to get some patty and all the good stuff. But today is so hot. But this is the outfit for today. It's just a t-shirt and some jeans and my trainers because it's just a quick 1-2. Now I'm waiting for my taxi. This is Rudolph Park in Morant Bay. Let's go closer.
Nobody not do it like it. Nobody travel all of this game on my head. You see me gonna be perfect champions.
Welcome to Morant Bay.
Mary, what may I say, yeah?
Hey guys, it's a bit dark. I don't know why, Maybe I'll switch some sides and see if it'll get better. But that's a bit better. I went to Juicy Beef and I buy 2 patties and a cocoa bread. And look where I'm having my lunch because I want little privacy. I'm looking at the seaside. But I came out of Juicy Beef because I want some private time because this might get nasty. I haven't had a party. No. Jeez. I'm looking to sit somewhere that you can see properly, but you know what? No, it is what it is. So I'm in my town of Morant Bay. This is mine. But might be a hot man. Hot bad. And busy. You want some? Nah. But you tell me, what's your favorite patty? This is beef patty. You like chicken patty, shrimp patty, beef patty, or beef and cheese? Fill up in the comments and tell me what's your favorite patty. Or do you like patty? And what's your favorite thing to do when you come to Jamaica? What's your favorite thing to eat as well? Do you eat patty? Or do you like KFC? I like everything. Gonna mash up this and down. And then I'm gonna finish my shopping because this girl is hungry. Let me finish my meal and then I'll get back to you. Well, I've just annihilated off that cocoa bread patty. My belly is full. Well, if you know Morant Bay, I'm behind the old courthouse. We used to go here when we were at school back in my days. It's lovely, lovely, like with the breeze and everything. If you don't mind, you'll sleep here, but it seems like everyone comes here to eat, but they're leaving the place nasty, man. Look at it. Why can't they just clean up after themselves? Look at rubbish. You're sitting with all these people rubbish. Why can't they just clean up after themselves? It's not hard to do. Just take it back with you, man. There's bins everywhere. Anyway, now my belly full. My hair is blowing everywhere. I need to go and continue my shopping. Might be getting a little bit busy where I can't vlog, but if I can, I will. I will show you my hometown of Morant in St. Thomas. I'm around here. Yeah, come. Why you know I'm around here? Ah. For who? Oh. Oh, your bus pass?
Oh, no, mommy. Oh, me get really. No, man, let's go play. Comply, man, let's comply. Let's comply. Let's comply. Let's comply. Comply, father. Yo. Who's so on there, man? I said I'm going to stay my
Mr. Fee, boy, I see your police. And then I said, no, you know. I did that one. Morant's Bay Market. Hey guys, I just came back in the house from Morant Bay, from the town, and trust me, I don't think the town is for me. Not for shopping, because we went to get some stuff, and why? It was too much going on. Police locking up, man, this, that. Plus it's hot, but I had it was extremely hot. I had to bust out my umbrella, but you think I'm used to this by now, but one thing I find out with me down here, I get hungry so often, and I've got some lovely rice and chicken. If you can see, let me show you my din din. Rice and peas and veg and chicken, but I'm gonna heat it, drink some juice. They have, I need to drink juice, lots of water, but I find myself like just buying juice because I like the fizz in there. Anyway, I'm gonna take off some of these clothes. It's gonna be hot. Sit under the fan, eat my food, watch some TV. I need to hold a little 5 because tonight is 9 nights. Should I take you along? Hope the weather, because it's been rain been coming and stopping, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it hold up for tonight because I want to go and support my friend because they're burying two people at the same time, the granddad and his grandson, and I can't make it to the funeral tomorrow because I've got another appointment, a memorial. I tell you, this girl is busy, you know. You think I come to Jamaica to relax? I have to circle and support everyone because they support me. Anyway, I'm chatting a lot. Let me just go eat this food and relax and see you later. Since I've been back from Morant Bay, I've been sleeping because I've got a headache, but since I've been in Jamaica, I haven't been out in the night. So tonight I'm all ready. Well, different from church, but tonight I'm all ready. This is what I'm wearing because we're off to a night. Let me show you my outfit. This is it. We're off to, me and my brother is off to a night. So I'll see you later. I might vlog a little bit of the night, but because of music and the copyright, I don't know, but hopefully I can so see you. Ooh, the girl, pretty bunny coming in. So hot. I know. What the van we got with the selling?
I know the pussy them come and go and like say, we don't forget that me in our place. A police place. Oh, God. Keep them busy because they don't move from it. They want to move from this because they don't hear something. I hear something.
They feel like they beat them up, you turn up, you beat them to talk. And they talking about them, so they have to do.
Story time. After all that effort to get ready to go one night, just one night, just to catch a setup, to support my friends, police lock it off. When we reach it, no dead yard. Police lock it off. People are arguing with the police and things. I think I get a clip, I might insert it. And then they left and they said 10 minutes. By the time 10 minutes come and people know this person got a yard, gonna be problem. And you see, because I don't like problem, I take with myself. Now I'm back home. I'm gonna chill, have a little night snack. I don't know what's going on, you know, but this girl can't stop eat. The food them too nice. Anyway, if you reach this far in my vlog, thank you for liking, comment, and subscribe and supporting the girl, and get to the next vlog because I'm gonna try and vlog every day. Try, I said, you know, don't blame me if one day is missing. I'm gonna try my best. So thank you.